the fourth industrial era, coding education is not an option, but an essential, right? Genie Coding Education Company Limited develops and produces making coding education teaching materials that is easy and can be used by anyone. Recently, 3D printers that print three-dimensional structures are very popular. The essence of this ingenious machine is its practicality. So, the Genie 3D printer is more practical because the user can observe and manufacture their own creations. The 3D pen is indispensable for creating three-dimensional structures, right? And displays a variety of information on an LED monitor. And wow, if I color with this Genie color pen, it adds detail and creativity to my work. Isn't this so amazing? I believe drones are the highlight of coding education. A Genie drone is educational safety drone. They can be coded with a smartphone application to control flight. You can learn various principles and use your ideas to create your own flight algorithm. I think this is so amazing. Reliable teaching materials and content, making coding education that allows students think and build with a systematic step-by-step learning program. Now, I recommend it with confidence.